Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 100 cubic centimeters engine kit is probably one of the most exciting and affordable ways to convert your bicycle into a motorized vehicle, offering a thrilling blend of pedal power and engine-driven speed. But before you jump into this exciting project, there are several crucial factors you need to consider to ensure a safe and satisfying experience, from the initial purchase and installation to the ongoing maintenance and legal compliance. Number 5. DYRABREST 100cc Bike Motor Kit. Transform your bicycle into a motorized marvel with this complete kit. It includes everything you need and comes with easy-to-follow instructions and phone support. This kit features an upgraded carburetor for better performance. Enjoy easy starting, even in cold weather, thanks to its internal choke circuit. It boasts reinforced 8mm mounting bolts, providing double the strength and security of standard 6mm bolts for a safer ride. The single-piece cylinder head design increases weight capacity, lowers operating temperatures, and ensures consistent power output. We're committed to your satisfaction. Contact us with any questions, we're here to help you. What we like. It boasts extra strong mounts for enhanced safety and a tunable carburetor for optimal performance in various conditions. If you prioritize durability and precise engine control, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for riders who want a reliable and easily adjustable motorized bike. What people say. Runs better than the pretty ones. Perfect to tool around town. Works. Number 4. 100 cubic centimeters bicycle engine kit. Transform your bicycle into a motorized marvel. It's easy to install and offers superior performance. This 100 cubic centimeters engine kit gives you a faster, more efficient ride. Enjoy the thrill of effortless cycling. Get incredible fuel economy with this kit. It achieves 150 miles per gallon. Save money and reduce your carbon footprint. It boasts a robust design with 8mm mounts, twice as strong as standard 6mm. This ensures a secure and reliable connection. The kit includes all necessary accessories and detailed instructions for a smooth installation process. Get riding quickly and easily. Experience enhanced performance with the upgraded, tunable carburetor. It features a choke lever for easy cold weather starts. With a top speed of 48 km/h and a maximum load of 180 kg, it's ready for any adventure. Enjoy the ride. What we like. This kit is incredibly fuel efficient, saving you money in the long run, and is surprisingly easy to install. If fuel economy is your main concern and you want a powerful ride, this is for you. It's perfect for budget-conscious riders who value both performance and efficiency. What people say. Guys, this lil kit was a big surprise. I didn't have high hopes for these lil engines. I ride mine about 20 miles a day. Well, this one is holding on. Got 112 tanks of gas ran Thursday it. Install easy, performs well. Number 3. 100 cubic centimeters bicycle engine kit. Transform your regular bicycle into a motorized marvel. This kit is perfect for adding power and excitement to your daily commute or weekend adventures. It boasts a powerful 100 cubic centimeters, 2-stroke engine, designed for quick starts and superior fuel efficiency. Enjoy a smooth and reliable ride, wherever your adventure may take you. Everything you need is right here: engine, fuel tank, carburetor, exhaust, and all the necessary mounting hardware. It's a comprehensive kit for a seamless installation. This kit features a single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, delivering 1.9 kilowatts of power and a top speed of 48 km/h. The 36-tooth sprocket ensures optimal performance. With a detailed instruction manual, installing this kit is easier than you think. While some mechanical experience is helpful, the process is straightforward. Get ready to experience the thrill of a motorized bike. This kit offers a fun and efficient way to upgrade your bicycle and enjoy the open road. What we like. This kit offers a powerful engine for a thrilling ride and comes with everything you need for a smooth installation. If you are looking for a powerful and convenient upgrade, this is the one. It's great for those who want a hassle-free conversion process and a significant performance boost. What people say. Product arrived in good shape and in a timely manner. Everything worked as advertised. It isn't designed to fit all. Just be aware. We had to weld pieces together and take from older bike. So keep that in mind when purchasing. Number 2. 100 cubic centimeters bicycle engine kit. It features a new hydraulic handle. This makes starting and braking easier and more convenient for you. Everything you need for installation is right here in this complete kit. Get ready to enjoy a motorized upgrade. Transform your bicycle into a motorized bike and experience increased speed and reduced effort. Enjoy a smoother, more efficient ride. It's compatible with bicycles over 21 inches. Check your bike size before installation. This kit boasts a powerful 100 cubic centimeters, 2-stroke engine. It provides the power you need for a more enjoyable ride. This kit is designed for easy installation. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. What we like. It features an upgraded hydraulic handle for superior control and comes as a complete kit for easy installation. If you value comfort and convenience, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for riders who want a smooth, responsive, and efficient motorized bike experience. What people say. Everything looks good. Fast shipping. Number 1. DNYSYSJ 100 cubic centimeters bike engine kit. This kit includes everything you need to transform your bicycle into a motorized bike. It's a complete set, ready to install and enjoy. It boasts a powerful 50mm bore single-cylinder engine for increased weight capacity and sustained power. The reinforced 8mm mounts ensure a secure and reliable connection to your bike frame. This kit is perfect for most 26 and 28 bicycles with a diamond frame. Upgrade your bike and enjoy faster, more efficient rides. The upgraded carburetor features a choke lever for easy starting, even in cold weather. It's also tunable for optimal performance. It offers impressive fuel efficiency, achieving up to 150 miles per gallon. This makes it an economical choice for your motorized bike needs. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes all necessary parts and features robust mounts for superior stability and impressive fuel efficiency. If you need a complete, reliable, and economical solution, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for riders who want a hassle-free conversion and long-lasting performance. What people say. Everything looked good at first and putting it together was pretty easy. I do like the kit. Okay, just change your spark plug to an E3 brand and you will be fine, specifically an E3.12, and be careful when mounting the sprocket the coaster brake system bike and make sure to bore out the inside of the gear to fit over the coaster brake bearing cover and you will be fine. Everything functions pretty well after the month I have had it on the bicycle. Already upgraded the sprocket and mounting from rag, gasket, chain tensioner, and clutch lever. This has helped a lot. Kit has potential. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.